differently struck the day with all the amazing events around Tamaki Makaurau of Auckland. Now, one way to celebrate Matariki is to get amongst the kai, the food, and I think that's where everybody is at the moment, Matai.
That's right, they'll be bringing their pork belly watercress salad, Asian style with a Māori twist. They'll be bringing that to the stage and then they'll come in and have a cutty and work it all.
We definitely need to have a taste tester of that. We need to make sure
it would be
it's
rude
good
not
for them.
to.
I never spoke. Now I gotta wash my mouth out with soap. I feel it coming out my throat. Guess I better wash my mouth out with soap. God, I wish I never spoke. Now I gotta wash my mouth out with soap.
The song that I'm about to sing for you is a song about the ocean god by Maui. Protect our ocean for the coming generations. Yo. Papa Urui, te arara mo tangaroa. Te Papa Urui, te arara mo tangaroa. Te Papa Urui. You don't take time, oh what you got. So unavailable. Now daddy, I don't know why. Crazy. Cause you don't take time on what you done. When you call me baby, I know that the only one. You've been so unavailable. Now daddy, I don't know why.
Hiu hamai elae, he no mea ela ina putae. Ha mea nani kai o paliu, pualoa ela ina paliu. Ha mea nani kai o paliu, pualoa ela ina paliu. Aya kupalina ina uye. I know how you love me.